You're staring at your screen. Emails stacking up like bricks. Your phone buzzes. Again. That tightness in your chest, it's there, isn't it? Like you're one wrong click, one bad reply from losing it. You feel the world moving too fast. Deadlines, notifications, opinions on X screaming for your attention. You want to react, to fire back, to fix it all, now. But deep down, you know, reacting doesn't fix anything. It just makes the noise louder. This isn't about being dumb. It's not about IQ or what you studied in college. It's about the patterns, the traps we all fall into. The ones that keep us stuck, spinning in our own heads. The ones that make us feel heavy. The Stoics didn't chase answers. They chased clarity. The kind that lets you breathe, even when the world's screaming. They knew something simple. Wisdom isn't loud. It's quiet. It's pausing before you snap. It's watching before you speak. Today, we're going to look at 6 signs. 6 patterns that trap us. Not because we're stupid, but because we're human. These signs aren't here to judge you. They're mirrors. To help you see, to help you pause. If you've ever felt stuck in your own head, reacting before you think, leave a sign below. Not for me, not for fame, but for someone else who needs this pause, just like you. Let's start, slowly. The first sign, a closed mind. Picture Alex. He's 27, a freelancer, graphic designer. He's good, or at least he was. Clients loved his work, until they didn't. See, Alex uses the same software he learned in college, the same tricks, the same fonts. It works, he says. Why change? Then a client asks for something new, a sleek, modern design, something built with tools Alex doesn't know. He scoffs. Those tools are overrated, he tells himself. I don't need them. He delivers the same old work. The client doesn't call back. Months pass. More clients drift away. Alex doesn't see it. He's too busy defending his way, his box, his comfort. He posts on X about sticking to what works. Gets a few likes. Feels validated. But his inbox, it's empty. A closed mind isn't about facts. It's about refusing possibilities. It's fear, dressed as confidence. It's pride, pretending to be wisdom. When you say, I know enough, you've already stopped growing. Think about your own life. That feedback from your boss, did you dismiss it? That post on X about a new skill, did you scroll past? That's not for me, you thought. It's not how I do things. But what if you're wrong? What if you're locking yourself in? Marcus Aurelius said it best. You have power over your mind, not outside events. A closed mind gives that power away. It builds walls, not bridges. It chooses safety over growth. Alex could have learned. He could have watched a tutorial, asked a friend, tried something new, but he didn't. He chose his box. And his box, it's getting smaller. Have you ever said, that's just how I am? What if? That's the lock on your cage. What if opening your mind, just a crack, could change everything? Not because you're wrong, but because you're human. And humans grow. Pause. Think about it. Where are you saying, I know enough? Where are you closed? The second sign, constant blaming. Meet Sarah. She's 30, a content creator. She's got a small team. They're working on a big video. It's her chance to shine, but the video flops, barely gets views. Comments tear it apart. Sarah's furious. It's the editor's fault, she says. They cut it wrong. The designer messed up the thumbnail. The algorithm hates us. She rants on X. Her followers null. She feels justified. But here's the truth. Sarah rushed the script. She ignored the team's feedback. She pushed for a release before it was ready. The team tried to warn her. She didn't listen. And now she's pointing fingers. Blaming is easy. It's a shield. It says, it's not me, it's them. But that shield, it's also a chain. It keeps you from seeing your part. It keeps you stuck. You've been there. Maybe not with a video, but with something. You were late to a meeting and blame traffic. Never mind you left 10 minutes late. You missed a deadline and blamed your coworker. Never mind you didn't ask for help. Blaming feels good. For a moment, it lets you dodge the truth. But the truth, it doesn't go away. It waits. And while you're pointing fingers, you're not growing. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react." Blaming is a reaction, not a solution. It's noise, not clarity. Sarah could have paused. She could have asked, "What did I miss?" She could have listened to her team. Instead, she lost Boon. She lost trust. Her team stopped sharing ideas. Her next video, it flopped too. Next time you want to blame, pause. Look at your hand. What's it hiding? What's your part? It's not about guilt. It's about seeing. It's about growing. Think about today. That argument with your roommate, was it really all them? That project that tanked, was it just bad luck? What if? You looked closer. What if? You asked. What could I have done? It's hard. It's heavy. But it's freedom. Blaming keeps you small. Seeing sets you free. The third sign, arrogance over humility. Jake's 25, a junior developer. He's smart, really smart. He knows it, and he wants everyone else to know it too. In meetings, he talks over his seniors. "I've got a better idea," he says. He interrupts. He explains things like they're idiots. His ideas are good, sometimes, but no one listens. They're tired of his voice. One day, a project fails. Jake's furious. "My idea would have worked," he tells his boss. They didn't get it. But his boss sighs. "Jake," he says, "you don't listen. Arrogance isn't confidence. It's a wall. It says, I'm enough." It blocks learning. It blocks connection. You've seen it. Maybe in yourself. That moment you argued to win, not to understand. That post on X where you had to be the smartest. That time you explained when you could have asked. Arrogance feels strong, but it's fragile. It's fear, pretending to be power. It's a mask, hiding doubt. Seneca said, "No man was ever wise by chance." Wisdom needs humility. It needs questions. It needs silence. Jake could have listened. He could have said, "Tell me more." He could have learned. Instead, he's stuck. His ideas ignored. His growth stalled. When was the last time you said, "I don't know"? How did it feel? Scary or freeing? Try it today. In a meeting with a friend. Say, "I'm not sure. What do you think?" Watch what happens. Watch how it opens doors. Humility isn't weakness. It's strength. It's saying, "I'm not done growing." It's wisdom, waiting to be found. The fourth sign, lack of empathy. Emma's 22, a project manager. She's good at her job, organized, driven. But there's a problem. She doesn't see people. She sees tasks. One day, a teammate misses a deadline. Emma's livid. "This is unacceptable," she says in a team call. "You are holding us back." The teammate, they're quiet. They don't explain. They just nod. Later, Emma finds out why. Their mom's in the hospital. They've been at her bedside all week. Emma didn't ask. She didn't care. She just judged. Lack of empathy isn't just cold. It's blind. It misses the truth. It misses life. You've done it too. Snapped at a coworker without asking why they're off. Ignored a friend's silence because they'll get over it. Judged a stranger on X without knowing their story. Empathy isn't soft. It's clarity. It's seeing beyond your own head. It's understanding before you react. The Stoics valued connection, not just logic. To understand others is to understand life. Emma could have paused. She could have said, "Is everything okay?" She could have listened. Instead, she built a wall. Her team, they don't trust her anymore. What if you listened today? Really listened. Not to reply, not to fix, just to see. Try it with your roommate, your boss, that quiet guy in the office. Ask, how's it going? Then wait. Really wait. Empathy is a bridge to others, to truth, to wisdom. The fifth sign, fear of change. Ryan 29, a graphic designer. He's comfortable. He's got his routine, his software, his style. It's safe. Then a client pushes back. Your work feels dated, they say. Ryan bristles. This is my style, he says. It's what I do. He doesn't budge. The client leaves. Change is scary. It's unknown. It's risk. But fighting it, that's worse. It's a slow fade into obsolescence. You know the feeling. Staying in a job you hate because it's stable. Skipping that new app because it's too much work. Avoiding a tough talk because it's fine for now. Change isn't the enemy. Staying still is. It's a trap disguised as safety. Marcus Aurelius said, "The universe is change. Fighting it is fighting life. Embracing it is living." Ryan could have tried. He could have watched a YouTube tutorial, played with new software, taken a small step. Instead, he's stuck. His portfolio, it's fading. What's one change you're avoiding? A new skill? A hard truth? A small risk? What's it costing you? Try this today. One small step. Download that app. Read that article. Have that talk. See what happens. Change isn't loss. It's growth. It's life. Moving forward. The sixth sign. Talking more than listening. Chris is 28. A freelancer. He's got clients. He's got charm. He's got a big mouth. In client calls, he talks. And talks. He pitches his ideas. His vision. His brilliance. He barely stops. The client, they're quiet. They don't renew. Talking is noise. Listening is wisdom. It's rare. It's powerful. You've been Chris. Interrupting a friend to tell your story. Typing a reply on X before reading the post. Listening to a podcast while scrolling. Talking feels good. It feels like control, but it's empty. It's a wall between you and truth. Seneca said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth. Use them accordingly." Silence is where wisdom lives. Chris could have paused. He could have asked, "What do you need?" He could have heard the client. Instead, he lost them. His voice, it drowned them out. Try this. Next conversation. Say nothing for 10 seconds. Just listen. What do you hear? What do you see? Listening isn't passive. It's active. It's respect. It's growth. Today, with your coworker, your partner, your friend, don't wait for your turn. Don't plan your reply. Just hear them. Really hear them. The wise, listen. The foolish, talk. These 6 signs, they're not labels. They're mirrors. We've all been there. Closed off. Blaming. Arrogant. Cold. Stuck. Loud. The Stoics didn't solve life. They watched it carefully. They paused before reacting. They listened before speaking. You can too. Tomorrow, when the world feels loud, when your phone buzzes, when you want to snap, don't breathe, watch. Wisdom isn't loud. It's quiet. It's waiting for you. If this helps you pause, even for a moment, share it. Not for me, for someone else, drowning in noise. Keep watching, keep pausing, keep growing.